Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eden. If you're new, I do cooking videos and welcome. Today I have asked about where I get my kitchenware. So I will explain it to you where I get it. First, I've been asked where I get those sets. This is the complete set for 8 people. I get it from Just Penny Home. The company was closing out, so I'm not sure if you can get the same, but that's what I get it from. Also, those sets, this also for 8 people. It came from Just Penny Home. Another thing I've been asked is where I get my pots and pans from. This also came from Just Penny. I get this one like 17 years ago. Yeah, 17 years ago. It's still new. I like it. I hope this answers your questions. Check it out when they have good sale. And yesterday my husband surprised me with this set from Just Penny Home also. It is 11 pieces, and the price was ridiculous, but there is a sale right now if you're interested. I'll show you what the price was. And this was almost $400, and it's 60% off for this week. So if you guys are looking to buy, this is a good time. You can check it out at Just Penny Home. And just let you know, this is not a sponsored video. Well, I will go ahead and okay guys, this is a guide. This is how you care for the pots and some recipe book. This is a very heavy cover, and I do like that. It has silicone in here, so you don't have to burn yourself. It's so heavy, you guys. Oh my goodness. Wow. And I love that they have their signature in here and in here. You can see.
Sorry,
1.5 quarts. How cute it is. And I do like the color. It's very different. And I like how they package it too.
Sorry guys.
There's another one. This one is 2.5 saucepan. It's a good size. Wow. This is a good size. It's 4-quart saucepan. And this one is 10-inch pan. Look at this, guys. Is the 4-quart. And this one is 1.5 quart. This is the 8-inch pan. And this one is 10-inch pan. And this is the 10-inch saucepan, the large one. Can you see it? And this one is the saucepan. That's 2.5 quarts. So I will go ahead, wash them, and then we'll try it and see how it cooks. Okay guys, we're gonna go ahead and try the pans and the pots. I'm gonna make something very simple. I'm gonna make Pepsi. And I do love the handle, silicone, so it won't burn your hand. By the way, too, some of you ask me, do I film and edit my videos myself? Yes, I film and edit it myself. And thank you for the compliment. I'm gonna add ginger and garlic. For those who don't know what FC is, FC is a food from East Africa, Ethiopia and Eritrea. It's a very quick meal that we love. So if you want to try it, that'd be nice. I'm gonna add some onion. You don't have to cook the onions too much, just a little. I'm gonna add seasoned butter. If you would like to know how to make it, I do have a video. I will link it for you. And that's about it. I'm gonna add some chili peppers. You can visit any Habesha restaurant. This is most people's favorite food, and it's very easy. And this is a non-stick pan. It did great job. So far I love it. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed it. This is the dish I made today with a new cookware, JCPenney home. I hope you enjoy it. I will see you next time. Thanks for watching.